Have you ever pondered the invisible threats that lurk in our environment? Threats that may be silently contributing to the onset of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's? Welcome to a deep dive into the intricate connections between our environment and our brain health. Neurodegeneration refers to a broad spectrum of conditions which primarily affect the neurons in the human brain. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases are stark examples of neurodegenerative diseases. But what if our environment is playing a more significant role in these diseases than we previously thought? Scientists are continually unraveling the complex involvement of environmental factors, particularly pollutants, in the progression of these diseases. These harmful substances can influence our brain health through various mechanisms. For instance, they can lead to the formation of amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles, hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. In Parkinson's, pollutants can instigate the degeneration of essential neurons in the brain. One critical system in our brain that can be affected by these pollutants is the glymphatic system. Think of this system as the waste disposal unit of the brain. It's responsible for clearing out metabolic waste. However, exposure to pollutants, especially airborne ultrafine particulate matter, can impair this system. This impairment can lead to a buildup of neurotoxic substances, potentially contributing to neurodegeneration. But the story doesn't end there. Our gut, believe it or not, also plays a vital role in our brain health. There exists a complex, bidirectional communication line between our gut and our brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Changes in our gut microbiota can influence this axis, potentially leading to neuroinflammation and neurodegeneration. Epidemiological studies, such as one conducted in Ontario, Canada, have even found a correlation between residential proximity to major roadways and an increased risk of dementia. This observation further underlines the potential role of environmental pollutants in triggering neurodegenerative diseases. So what can be done to mitigate these effects? Well, lifestyle adjustments such as dietary changes can help. Consuming anti-inflammatory foods and nutrients that support the gut-brain axis can potentially boost overall brain health. However, gaps remain in our understanding of the intricate mechanisms through which pollutants influence neurodegeneration. Comprehensive epidemiological and clinical studies are needed to better define these relationships and develop effective intervention strategies. In conclusion, tackling the complex challenge of neurodegeneration requires an integrative approach, one that combines environmental science, neurology, and nutrition. Addressing environmental factors is a crucial element of public health strategies aimed at preventing neurodegenerative diseases. It's a story of our brains, our environment, and how we can strive for a healthier future.